Hey friends, first off, Happy New Year, Happy New You, Happy Better You. The holidays are over, and while everyone are out there hustling and bustling, hit the ground running, I'm here to say pump your brakes. January isn't about hustling, it's about healing and recovering. By the way, if you are new here, I am Demetris and welcome to my channel. I share tips on living a balanced, stress-free, and a more organized and productive life. Let's talk about why starting the new year slow and steady is the right move. I'll share 3 reasons why taking time to rest over the next few weeks can set you up for a more focused and stress-free 2025. You guys earned this pause. So stop and take a few weeks to fully breathe. All right, reason number 1. It's important to recover from holiday burnout. And what I mean by holiday burnout is the fact that after Halloween starts the holiday season, right? So after Halloween, you got Thanksgiving, prepping for that, traveling. And then you got Christmas. You got things that you're doing around that time, on top of doing the things that you usually do on your on a day-to-day basis. The holiday hustle is real. So when you filter in the shopping, the traveling, the hosting, the entertaining, the cleaning, the decorating, the kids are out of school, you have end of year deadlines for your job, you have holiday parties to attend, on top of your normal day-to-day tasks and activities. So, and on top of that, you gotta still add in your working out, your self-care, meal planning, to-do lists. The list goes on. So taking the time out in January to really relax and recover from weeks of the hustle and bustle gives your body time to decompress. It also gives your mind some decompression time. All right, so if you go hit the ground running January 1st or January the 2nd, then you're gonna get burnt out. All right, so ease into January slowly. It's not a race, y'all. Take your time to work on your vision board. Take your time to work on your goals for the year. There's no rush. Honestly, I plan on taking my time all of January. I used to be the one to January 2nd, I'm on my goals, I'm on my vision board, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, trying to prepare for the year. But this year I told myself, no, Demetris, you are going to sit your butt down somewhere. My body is telling me to sit down, relax, take it easy. My body has been tired. I've been hustling and bustling the last couple of months, prepping for the holidays. So I told myself, the first couple of weeks in January, I'm going to ease into it. You are coming out of one of the most stressful seasons of the year. So don't burn yourself out in January trying to do it all, trying to, sprint when you can pretty much walk, jog, and then sprint. The second reason why it is important to pace yourself or ease into the new year is because it allows you to recharge and set intentions with a clear mind. You don't want to jump into the new year too fast because it can lead to unrealistic goals and even failure. You want to use this time to create a space to focus or to prepare yourself for the months ahead. So January is the perfect time to do so. You want to reflect on what truly matters to you instead of rushing into those resolutions like we're used to doing or like people do all the time. You don't want to rush into those goals. You want to give your body time to recharge. And some things that you can do to help recharge your body, your mind, giving yourself a clear mind to jump into or to tackle those goals for the year, you can read. All right, reading helps. I told myself I was going to read more this year. Pamper yourself, whatever that may look like. That looks totally different for every person. You want to unplug from your devices or even your social media. You guys don't understand how much time people spend on social media and their devices. Some people wake up on their phones. They go to bed on those phones. Unplug from that or cut back on phone usage in January. It could actually work wonders for some people. It'll give you that time to just disconnect from those things that you're used to doing. Help you clear your mind. Also, nature walks. Walks are good for thinking, reflecting, refocusing. Nature walks also help people, with their positivity. It helps release some of that negativity by being out in the nature. Journal. If you are not a person that journals, journaling is one of the best things you could ever do to help clear your mind, recharge, and get a clear mind on what you want to do, what your goals are, and what your purpose is. So you want to start on your goals and your vision board for the year when you are mentally and physically ready. You can't do so adequately if you have not recharged your battery. And you know what happens when your battery overheats? It no longer functions. Okay? So make sure that you are recharging your body, all right, before we tap into those goals for the year. Another reason to start your new year slow and steady is because it allows you to build up momentum. All right, you want to pace yourself. You want to gradually grow by starting steady and staying strong in order to avoid the crash. So pausing in order to refuel your body for the rest of the year is very important. It's not a one lap and done. It's a marathon. So ease yourself into the new year. Don't start off sprinting and you burn out or get exhausted before you're halfway done with the race. It's okay to walk, jog, then sprint, as I said before. But y'all know how busy the gyms be on January the 2nd. People try to force the fitness on and go full force about 5 days a week. Yeah, most of the time those people only last in the gym until about February or March. Then you start seeing the gym population dying down. Right after the holidays, you can't find no treadmill, you can't find no leg machine because everybody and their mama is in the gym trying to hit those fitness goals. But you don't have to force it on right after the holidays. Take your time, make your plan, go 2 days a week, okay? And then gradually build it up to 3, 4, 5 days a week. You don't want to start off so quickly, so fast that you get burnt out and you have just barely begun the race, okay? If you want to make your goals last, if you want to make your goals sustainable, if you want to be able to make it to where you last the entire year of reaching your goals, going for your goals and your aspirations and your dreams, take it slow. Use this time to start to build the momentum up. It doesn't have to be, sprinting, right after the new year start. Give yourself that time to build up your momentum. You want to pace yourself, as I said. You don't have to jump head first. Start slow, maybe 2 to 3 days a week. That's building the momentum. You don't want to get overwhelmed or even quit or get stressed out over your fitness goals or your weight loss goals. You have to walk before you can jog. I think that's the expression. I don't know. But anyhow, you get the point. Build up the momentum. Don't start sprinting right out the gate because you're going to get tired. Halfway through the year, you're going to be burnt out. So pace yourself. Take your time. Do a little bit at a time. You know why? There's no rush. Okay? Do what you can do. Gift yourself the gift of rest and relaxation starting out the new year. Your body will thank you later. Your mind will thank you later. Your mental health will thank you later. Building up your momentum sets the tone and it creates a consistent progress. And also it sets the foundation for long-term success. Rushing, sprinting, jumping head first is not going to get you anywhere. All right. So take your time and do it slow and steady, not fast and wrong. I hope this video inspired you to embrace some well-deserved rest this January. Remember, slowing down doesn't mean you're missing out. It means you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Now, if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with someone who needs a reminder to pause and rest. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to take it easy this month. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video.